Great more Fury here, coming to you from my happy place, Piedmont, North Carolina. We've had plenty of rain. I'm out and about walking around with my German Shepherd, and I thought of a really cool experiment or something cool to do with y'all, something maybe a little learning module, very, very quick learning module, something that could be beneficial to everyone. And the subject I came up with was spore printing mushrooms, mycology, fungi, you know, the good guys that are in the soil that form the networks that help take care of our plants and our trees and our bushes and everything good. In any event, you know, I figured let me take a little walk. I'll go grab some, I'll go grab some mushrooms, and we can actually make a mushroom spore print on a piece of paper, and I'll show you what I do with it. You know, it's pretty cool. I think you're gonna like this. Anyway, stand by. I'm gonna go grab a mushroom. There's a couple right here in my garden. You can see a few more there. Dark brown. See it right there? I think we can find more. I see one back there. Right there. I don't know. We've done that one already. We'll see. A good place to hunt for mushrooms can, be an old wood pile. There's usually a bunch of them growing on the wood, hanging out. There's some over here, but I don't think we want that. We want something else. I'll find it. I'll find it. How about this guy right here? Nah, we could. Let's find something else. How about this guy right here? I don't know. It's kind of old and shriveled up. It's probably dropped its spores. Let's find something else. A little bit newer. Nah, they're dropped. There's no point in messing with these. Nope, too old. Man, if we'd gotten here just like a day earlier, really a day or two earlier, I bet I could still get some out of this. But I got a better idea. I really do. Check it out. Look at the mycology here. Some emerging turkey tail maybe, as well as, oh, that's totally printable. Totally. There's another one on the other side. I don't know, that's fresh. I might stick that in my compost tea. Something's been chewing on it. Aha. Polypore type. I think I'm going to snag that too. Right there you can see the differences between a regular saprophyte and a polypore. Pretty cool, right? Really, really tight and firm, and this has almost like a rubbery feeling. And this is very, very soft and supple. The spores come right out of that right there. Uh-oh, my German Shepherd's barking. We gotta go. I saw I was passing some of these little white buttons. I think I'm gonna snag them. They're just like little pins right now. What do y'all know about them white buttons? Pretty cool, huh? Some ants. Ants right there. I'm gonna avoid this area. But I'm snagging this. This stuff's going in my compost. Alright, it's really loud in here because I got the air on. Oh! Hey now. We should spore print that. I think we will. But these are going in. See that one right there? It's got algae on top. It's all good in the neighborhood. Okay. What's the spore print look like from that mushroom? Let's have a look and find out. Check out Garden Dog. There's my protector right there, huh? What's up, Riker? Can I come in? Please, sir, may I enter? Still got some of those red things coming in. Think I'm gonna have to grab some of these. Anyway, oh, we gotta get back to the spore print. In the unlikely event that you're out there and about foraging for mushrooms and you're seeking to identify a mushroom, one of the methods that we use to identify the species or type of mushroom is to place the fruited body or the cap of the mushroom right side up on top of a white piece of paper underneath a glass. In this case, it's a bowl. So it's a little bit big, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get it with one hand. So I'm basically going to stop recording and grab it with two hands and take it off, and we'll come right back. There you can see it turned over. And there's my mushroom. Now I'm going to go ahead and lift it straight up slowly so I don't displace any of them. I mean, I'm using my hands, and you're going to see green spores. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, nature is amazing. So they are green. This is actually called the false parasol. And if the spores were white, it would be a true parasol, and it would be something that we could actually eat. Yeah. What's next after this? I can take those spores and I can put them on the microscope and I can identify them and take a picture of them for future reference. That way later on, when I want to know more about what species I'm working with, I can compare the spores.